नमस्कार, मैं शिशिर श्रीवास्तव आपका स्वागत करती हूँ बीसी मीडिया में। आज हम आ चुके हैं इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट जो कि ग्रेटर नोएडा में लगा हुआ है। यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रामा नाम का एक इवेंट हो रहा है जहाँ पर मेरे साथ हैं विपिन बी गलानी जो डायरेक्टर हैं जुपिटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के। आइए आज उनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलिए।
सर मुझे आपकी कंपनी के बारे में जानना है कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए।
I started from environmental monitoring system that includes temperature, humidity, airflow, and we also do wireless data transmission. So we can transmit this temperature, humidity, and airflow parameter elsewhere also from the existing place to some 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer distance. We can transmit it, and we can transmit it to cloud also. So from cloud you can monitor the system from anywhere in the world.
सर जैसे कि आप अपने थोड़े बहुत प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मुझे डिटेल में बताएंगे हम लोग को, हमारे दर्शक जान।
See, we are dealing in pressure, humidity, airflow transmitter, water monitoring also. So we monitor also quality of water also. So we have, and besides that, we do lot of things. We have our own software also. So we monitor pressure for medical application. We have supplied our pressure transmitter during Corona. So we have India were importing ventilator earlier on, but now we are exporting this ventilator. We are offering our transmitter to the ventilator manufacturers.
ओके सो सर जैसे कि ह्यूमिडिटी को आप कैसे लाइक मॉइस्चराइज जो बता रहे हैं आप इनके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में
So humidity, temperature is not the only parameter to monitor the room temp. See, it requires also humidity also. कंफर्ट जोन आपका जो है 22 डिग्री टू 25 डिग्री का कंफर्ट जोन है इन एम्बिएंट कंडीशन. Similarly, humidity is also to be monitored. If you have high humidity, you will perspiring. So monitoring also to be monitored from 65% onwards. So 65% is a comfort zone of humidity. 65% of humidity is also a comfort zone. So temperature is not the only parameter for comfort zone. Humidity is also a parameter for comfort zone. And airflow also.
ओके सर आपके कंपनी को कितने साल हो गए?
I started in 1989,
हाँ
about say 35 years ago.
ओके तो सर ये आपका पहला इवेंट है यहाँ पे?
No, we participate in so many exhibitions for acrylics and all. We participate in India instrumentation. We participate in 4 exhibitions every year. We monitor for medical also. We instrumentation also. Blood pressure monitoring. We give.
सर इसके रेट लगभग कितने होंगे? प्राइस
Rates are varying according to the quality what you select. It is varying from
मैक्सिमम
1,000 to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000.
ओके
So some transmitters are 4 lakh. We are going this battery monitoring, ट्रांसफॉर्मर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर मॉनिटरिंग. आपका ये ट्रांसफॉर्मर है, आपको जो पावर घर में आता है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर के थ्रू आता है. आपका ऊपर का जो लाइन है वो 11 kV 66 kV वगैरह का होता है, लेकिन दैट इज टू बी बोट डाउन टू 440 वोल्ट. सो दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर.
तो सर आप थोड़ा सा अपनी कंपनी को कहाँ तक एक्सपेंड करना चाहते हैं?
I am the director, but I started in 1989, and I was that time I was 41 years. I am now 77. So I can do. I am engineer. I can imagine so many things, but I cannot physically work now. I work with Hindustan Aeronautics. So we have developed transmitter for Hindustan Aeronautics, BARC, and we have supplied it. At that time, there was a restriction for BARC that America Americans were not giving their transmitter, pressure transmitter, because they are atomic power. So we have developed for them. So that is what we are doing. We have developed for VARC, the NFC, National Fuel Corporation. Then we are giving to Tata Steel. We give to Jindal Steel. We have top class monitoring, Hindustan Aeronautics. We develop ISRO. We develop for them. Our airflow transmitter and temperature transmitters are in our satellites also.
सैटेलाइट्स ओके थैंक यू सो मच सर बीसी मीडिया चाहेगी आपकी कंपनी ग्रो करे धन्यवाद
Because I am already grown up now. It is my evening of my career. But I am not physically working now. I just do it. I come here, just watch. I came yesterday. This exhibition started in 24. But I come here, just wait. Come and talk to people like you. Those who are
बहुत अच्छा
interested.
लगा बात करके और जानने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा
Okay.